Ngatho muno ni undu wa gucoka hiyo kifo cio ya kawaida angikorwo kuri mundu ugeretie kwiyuria ciuria nyingi gukira anja iria akiri nayo ingi gikuo giki very sudden kia Betty Bayo ni Kanyari. Ndumiriri iria ningi aroka gupost kiroko kia umuthi igie gikuo kia Betty Bayo ikionania kuri na maundu mangikorwo mahanikire very unusual na magicungiriria gikuo giki kia Betty Bayo. O muthenya wake maundu meru ni maraonekana gukorwo gukiyumiria na riu Kanyari onekana kurega gwitikira Betty Bayo's death was just normal and a natural occurrence. Riu agiposti ndumiriri ino thengia wa warning he had been issued regarding kwaria any information igie gikuo kia Betty Bayo. Kanyari akorwo akiyuria ciuria na akienda nginya Betty akorwo akimucokeria akimuria no wakuragire, ni cancer, ni mundu kiumbe, ni ciana ciaku, ni nie, akimuthaitha mucokerie anja akiuria giki no arikiriria na kuga one day cancer will die. Miario Kanyari oka thutha wa gukorwo akihingiriria kwaria makiria thutha wa warning he had received kuma kuri a close friend of Tash uria wakoretwo akimuan about exposing any information regarding Betty Bayo's death. Akoretwo akimwandikira na kumuan akimwira, my advice to you, these people who cheer you here, don't allow them to make you do actions that will make your children drift away from you. Murata uyu wa Tash akionekana guthreaten Kanyari na ciana akimwira kuri miario agutuhuka na ciana ciake imumene kaimana. No riu Kanyari nionekana kugia na ucamba na akonekana onake even as he is protecting his children he is mourning na kuri na ciuria nyingi arenda acokerio regarding Betty akorirwo akihuruka. Kanyari oroho ni ahinguka uhoro wingi Sky na Dani akiuga kire kiramwikira ucamba wa kwaria thengia wa warning ici ciothe ikoretwo ikimurikwo kuriwe ni ati Dani na Sky makoretwo makimuria ciuria nyingi muno ona makienda gutaukwo ni uria nyina akorirwo agihuruka in a sudden way. Akiuga these past days I have watched them try to understand what no child should ever have to understand. One moment they are quiet, the next they are asking questions I have no strength to answer, and deep down I'm trying to be their rock while I am still trying to gather the broken pieces of myself. Mwena uyu ungi mami wa Betty Bayo ni akoretwo agiethana na mawakiri makanyitanira na gwikia ihoya kuri thirikari makienda gukorwo makiamukirio anja ciigi gikuo giki kia Betty Bayo. Na ihoya-ini riu mamu wa Betty arauga marua ma ndwari ya Betty kuma thibitari kana marua macio riboti iyo ya thibitari ikigie murimu wa Betty ni yahithirwo na arenda akorwo akinengerwo nginya maumirira ma autopsy. Akiuga maumirira macio matiakorirwo magikinyio kuri family na ndamonire. Mamu wa Betty augite arenda gutaririo wega gikuo giki very sudden kia Betty na gitaririo kimenyekane kiaumanire na ihenya uguo.
Betty ndathimirwo leukemia yandikirwo na kanua na ciro ni igira ati kuona Betty ena dizziness ri na muririkane matanga-ini kana conference ira ciro ariria kiriraga muno ri athire kogugu Google make Google symptoms so nimero symptom ici cina Betty ihana cia leukemia kwenda guthimwo leukemia neko Google magugire magithie makiheana ritwa ria leukemia riu akirutwo AAR otoro Kenyatta maugire na kanua uyu na leukemia ti documents kana thibitari mathiete. Thank you muno watuma gift Consolata.